What do we got here in the distance that we're walking up on?
It's my 84 359 I pulled out the woods. It was buried so bad you had to know it was there to even see the thing. But I had to put an engine in it. It's all original paint, original interior. I'm gonna put a wet line on it so I can pull the dump trailer with it in the low boy.
Okay.
But as far as that mechanically, it's pretty much ready to go.